Hi, my name's Kieran from Get Packed, and this afternoon we're having a look at the Nordson DuraBlue bulk hot melt system. This is a 4-litre system, which means it'll take up to 4 kilos of glue. You can get bigger, there's a 6, there's a 10. We're just demonstrating one of our second-hand models today, as you can see. We can get them second-hand, we can also get them brand new. The great thing about these systems is you're using hot glue, but then you've gone to a stage where you're going through too much hot glue to keep manually reloading your guns, whether that be slugs or sticks. And you can get something like this where you're just going to put all your glue in the tank and it's going to keep it hot for you and then ready to use. So we'll just quickly go through our settings. You can see the machine is constantly monitoring the temperature of the tank, the hose, and the actual dispensers, so it does keep everything to temperature for you. You've got a standby mode. If you're going to walk away from the melter for a few hours, it's going to drop your temp by about 60, 70 degrees and just keep you in standby so you don't have to melt all the way from zero again. This is your pump control button. This is going to turn your heaters on and off. This is your timing function. And down here's your settings menu where you can go and change all your settings. These have a fairly robust timing mechanism where you can actually schedule up to 7 days of production. And that means like if your boys are going to come in at 8 o'clock and start using the hoses, you want to get your melter turning on at 6. So you've got that hour, 2 hours to heat everything up, bring all your lines and your guns to temperature and melt all the glue in your tank as well. Once you've done that, it's as easy as grabbing your gun. Right, you've got a safety lock on the back that you're going to disengage. And then we're going to glue. As you can see, there's no force required, like with your traditional kind of glue gun that's using sticks or slugs. You're just giving this trigger a nice, easy squeeze, and the melter's going to do the rest of the work for you. Now, this melter is capable of putting out about 6 kilos of hot glue an hour, so it really is the next step up if you're looking at industrial production or you really need to get some glue down in a short amount of time. What you can do is go to www.getpacked.com.au, send us an email to sales@getpacked.com.au. We'd love to help you out with all your hot melt.